Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. I'm Brian Bachland, and today I'll be showing you the 2018 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. This boat has ice blue gel-coated hull sides and is powered by the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard. Boarding the vessel, we'll notice one of the key differences between the Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro versus the standard edition, and that would be the layout of the rear casting deck. So on the Pro, Boston Whaler moved to a center-mounted livewell for easy access during fishing, and removable jump seats to have a wide open casting deck. Leaning post with slide-out Yeti cooler, and the ergonomic dash design, plenty of room for any in-dash electronics you'd like to mount. Hard top with rod holders. The console has the optional head and actually offers storage for the forward casting deck cushion storage. Forward facing seat with livewell, rod holders. And looking at the casting deck, if you decide not to go fishing, keep the cushions in place, and you actually offer forward facing lounge seating. And to finish everything off, the anchor locker up front. If you'd like any information about this vessel or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland. MarineMax Clearwater, direct 813-503-2649. Thank you.